electric standpoint, as far as makeup air goes, the RV model, again, as Chris mentioned, if you're looking for more of the heat pump style units, but if you're looking for just general electric heat options, we do offer an MSX model with an electric heater all the way up to 250 kW and roughly 24,000 CFM is what that equals out to be. An advantage from a manufacturing stance when we look at electric heat is it is single point power. Many other manufacturers will offer, because it's high amperage associated with these electric heaters, they'll offer a secondary power source. So you'll have a breaker required for your electric heater and then a breaker required for the makeup air. As a standard, as a manufacturer, we decided to go with one disconnect sized for the entire unit, make it a lot easier and lower cost for the installation side of it. So electrical, your electrician doesn't need to feed two separate supply wires up to the unit. Duct and room temperature control is available. These are SCR or veneer SCR controlled, so it's not just a toaster oven. It doesn't just turn on and give you full capacity. The reason there's the conversation with electrification is because of its efficiency. The efficiency on an electric heat is technically 100%. You can take every single usable volt going into it and convert that to the clean is where we can argue. And then again, cost standpoint as far as amperage, but technically it can be converted over to full usable heat. So again, depending on where you're actively, working on jobs, because I know that you guys aren't limited to probably just Washington State. Keep in mind that we do offer electric heating options. But if you guys are outside of the state, technically burning gas, if it's the lower cost option, probably going to be the one that makes the most sense.